I tweeted last month that I replaced the Cougar Menos X5 mouse with the Cougar Menos X2 mouse. The scroll wheel on the X5 became twitchy when cycling through inventory in Fortnite. The last thing I want to pull out during a firefight is an unloaded weapon. The X2 was half the cost of the X5, similar in size, and didn't have RGB. That created a controversy for some viewers of my YouTube channel. Why do I buy a $20 mouse when I have a $300 keyboard on my desk? If you haven't seen my technology videos, a link to the playlist is in the description below. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. The Blackmagic Speed Editor keyboard works only with the DaVinci Resolve video editor. On the cut page, I can set the in and out markers and append clips to the timeline with the press of a few buttons and the scroll wheel. A 15-minute long talking head video becomes 5 minutes of clips ready for editing. This specialized keyboard is heavy, built like a tank, and will last for years. The Blackmagic Speed Editor keyboard retails for $300, but I didn't pay $300 for this keyboard. I got the keyboard for free as part of a DaVinci Resolve Studio bundle. I paid $300 for a USB stick that I can plug into any PC to run the paid version of DaVinci Resolve. The free version of DaVinci Resolve works only with the CPU for processing. That makes working with a 4K timeline and special effects difficult. The paid version of DaVinci Resolve works with the CPU and the GPU for processing. That makes working with a 4K timeline and special effects easier. Paying $300 for software was well worth it. Why did I buy the Cougar Menos X2 mouse for $20? Or the Cougar Menos X5 mouse for $20 when it was on sale in July 2020? Or any basic Logitech or Microsoft mouse for $20 in the last 10 years. I even buy regular keyboards like the Logitech K120 for $20. The reason why I buy regular keyboards and mouse for $20 is that I replace them every year or two. Would paying more for a keyboard or mouse make it last longer? I've used the Microsoft Ergonomic Split keyboard for 20 years. Every 6 to 7 years, I would pay $70 for a new ergonomic keyboard. Microsoft couldn't leave a good design alone, and I didn't like the newer redesigns. When it came time to replace the keyboard a few years ago, I didn't get another ergonomic keyboard. I got the Logitech K120 keyboard for $20. The same keyboard I took to my day job to replace the generic Dell keyboard. I got that keyboard since coworkers were less likely to walk off with a $20 keyboard. After using the K120 for 5 years at my day job, it was good enough for my home office. Being good enough is a better indicator than the price tag. That's it for today's show. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.